Good morning, 10th class. So in this revision class, we will be revising electromagnetic induction, AC and DC generator. Like we will be discussing about the difference between the two AC and DC generator. Okay. So first we will define what is electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is the process of inducing the electricity by the help of changing magnetic field. So it's inducing electric current by changing magnetic field. By changing magnetic field around what? Around your conductor. Around your conductor, and this conductor is supposed to be connected with the galvanometer, and that galvanometer will give you the reading according to the current flow. Okay, so electromagnetic induction is the basic principle on which the generator works. So we will do the working as well as your structure design of the generator by the help of these key points. These key points will also help you to differentiate between AC and DC generator. So very first is what is the basic definition of AC generator and DC generator. You can add on one more point here, the principle. Principle remains same, just a change is there. So definition is AC generator is the device which produces electrical energy through mechanical energy, but there is a change in direction. AC generator is the device which basically changes mechanical energy into electrical energy by the change in with the change in the direction of the current. Whereas your DC, the direction of the current will remain same. So this is your basic definition. Now principle, both work on the principle of electromagnetic induction, but in the case of AC there is direction change, and in DC there is no direction change. This is the principle, that electricity is getting produced by the change of magnetism. Now what is the direction of current? The second point, obviously we have mentioned like 2-3 times just before this point that direction of current in AC is different and direction of current in DC is same. It's like in AC it changes after every 1/100th of second. In AC it changes by this frequency. What is the basic design? Both of them are having almost the basic design, but in your AC there is no commutator. What is the commutator? Commutator is basically the device which changes the direction of current. Device which changes the direction of current. So there is no commutator in AC generator, but there is a commutator in DC generator, and the basic design consists of your armature, your slip rings. There is a slip rings in AC and there is split ring in DC. That you can also mention in the basic design. There is a galvanometer in both the cases. This is the point for the basic design, and the commutator, AC is not having commutator and your DC is having the commutator, right? Next is the rings. So we know here we have in the AC the slip rings, and in DC we are having the split rings. So in AC we are having the slip ring. This slip rings basically changes the direction by itself only. So we don't need commutator in this case. Whereas in your DC we don't have the slip ring, we are having the split ring, which will not enable to change the direction of the current, so we need the commutator in that case. So principle we are done with. Next is the efficiency of the brush. As compared to AC and DC, AC is more efficient. There is no wear and tear of the system in the AC, so the brushes will remain efficient in that case, whereas in DC the efficiency is quite less. Short circuit possibility. As the efficiency is good, wearing and tearing is less, so the short circuit possibility is also less in AC, whereas more in DC. Next is output voltage. So AC produces more output voltage as compared to the DC. Next is the maintenance point. The maintenance of AC is quite low, but DC is having very high maintenance as there is less possibility of short circuiting and efficiency is good, so maintenance is less in AC. Cost, obviously your AC is somewhere costly as compared to your DC. Efficiency we have already discussed. The overall the efficiency of AC is quite good. And application, AC is basically used in like small devices like your mobile chargers, your laptop chargers, your mixers, grinders, whereas DC has used been like in some large scale machines. So this is your difference between AC and DC generator. We are doing right now some question answers and current affair slides in our daily routine. So the point is, I'll be giving you answer key of each and every chapter we have provided you in a worksheet form, and you should revert me back about your doubts. Please submit your doubts. Please submit your doubts every day, like as you are getting your videos till 11:30. So by the same day till 9:30 in the night, send me your doubts so that for the next day video I'll take your doubts. Okay, please submit your doubts if you have any of from the homework worksheets. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.